Find your next puppy at the Puppy Stop.
All our babies come from loving homes and will help find them forever families. Plus, all our puppies are health certified, registered, have all their shots, and come with a warranty. Come see us today at the Puppy Stop on East Colonial Drive in Orlando.
Come find your next furry friend at the Puppy Stop.
All of our puppies come from loving homes, not puppy mills, and come with their shots and are health certified. We'll help find your family the perfect puppy. Visit us today at the Puppy Stop on East Colonial Drive in downtown Orlando.